Experiencing connection problems with Tesco Mobile? Don't worry, you're not alone. As a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, using O2's infrastructure, Tesco Mobile can sometimes experience network hiccups. This video will guide you through common issues and effective fixes. We'll cover no service errors, APN problems, and network resets. Remember, these fixes address about 70% of common connection issues. Start by checking your signal strength and ensuring your SIM card is properly inserted. Note that connection issues are more common in rural areas and indoors due to signal limitations and 5G interference. For no service issues, first ensure your SIM card is correctly inserted into your phone. You can check Tesco's coverage map or app to confirm service is available in your area. Weak signals below -100 dBm indicate poor coverage. Incorrect APN settings can prevent data. For prepaid plans, the APN is prepay.tesco-mobile.com, and for contract plans, it's everywhere. Manually enter these in your phone's settings, making sure there are no typos. Network resets clear the cache and reconnect you to the network. The simplest method is to eject and reinsert your SIM card or toggle airplane mode on and off. For a deeper reset, go to your device's settings, such as Android's system menu, then Reset Options, and select Reset Network Settings. These resets won't erase your data. If issues persist, contact Tesco Mobile support through their app or by calling 0344-324-9222. Be aware of current trends such as AI-powered troubleshooting in the mobile app and a rise in 5G-related connection issues.